IDBI Bank's privatization continues to move forward despite strong opposition from bank unions and employees' organizations. Many believe that this is not just about one bank, but about the center's long term roadmap for public sector banking itself. To understand the deeper implications, we spoke to AIBA Joint Secretary Devidas Tuljapurkar. He explains whether IDBI is being used as a test model for future PSB privatization, what message this sent about the government's banking vision, and the key safeguards AIBA is demanding for employees as IDBI moves out of government control. The government continues to push IDBI Bank's privatization despite opposition from unions. What message does this send about the center's long term vision for public sector banking?
As I perceive, Indian government has committed with the international lenders, World Bank and IMF, that they will be implementing reforms in the banking and finance. And to begin with, they are initiating the processes with the IDBI. Because to privatize other banks, they need to get the approval from Parliament with the amendment in Banking Company Acquisition and Transfer of Undertaking Act, which right now they are not intending to. And so, as a soft option, they have chosen IDBI. And because IDBI, there is a separate enactment, which was initially repealed in 2003 and 4. So, it becomes a company. Corporatization has been done in 2004. So, they will be doing it to begin with the IDBI.
So we can say that IDBI case is being used as a test model for the future privatization of PSBs.
IDBI is typically a guinea pig in banking. All experiments have been carried out on IDBI. Initially, it was Department of Reserve Bank of India, Industries Finance Department. Then it became a subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. Then the issue came up of conflict of interest. How come that regulator owns a bank? Regulator cannot be owner. So the ownership was transferred to Government of India. Then subsequently, this development financial institution was converted into a universal bank. In that process, it was corporatized. So development financial institution, it became a commercial bank. And then partial disinvestment took place. Then reverse merger took place. Development financial institution was merged in bank. Then United Western Bank, one of the major private sector bank from Maharashtra, it was merged in IDBI. So it's a guinea pig in finance and banking.
Okay. So what are AIBA's key demands or safeguard for employees of IDBI Bank fully exist government control?
We have been fighting on the streets. We are approaching the parliamentarians, and we are pursuing with in the that forum. Whatever is required, whatever is possible, best things we have been doing to save IDBI Bank. Fair enough that some of the parliamentarians they have responded positively and they have assured us that they will be raising the voice in the parliament. We have approached to High Court, we have approached to Supreme Court also. But unfortunately, we could not clinch the issue at that level because Supreme Court says that it's a domain of Parliament who is supposed to take an appropriate decision in this behalf. But our fight will continue.